Hello students. In this video we are going to learn about describing words, or you can say adjectives. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start.
Describing words are those which tell something about the noun.
For example, can you say something about the apple? Juicy. Red. Sweet. Here, juicy, red, and sweet are describing words. And apple is a noun. Next example. Butterfly. Think something about the butterfly. Colorful. Beautiful. Delicate. Well done. Here, colorful, beautiful, and delicate are the describing words. And butterfly is a noun. Next example is tree. Try to think something about tree. Green. Tall. Leafy. Well done. You are doing great. Here, green, tall, and leafy are the describing words, and tree is a noun. Next example is dog. Tell some words about the dog. Loyal. Cute. Strong. Great job. Here, loyal, cute, and strong are describing words. And the dog is noun. Next example is umbrella. Think of some words about the umbrella. Yellow. Beautiful. Strong. Good. Here, yellow, beautiful, and strong are the describing words. And umbrella is noun. You are doing marvelous. Next example is cake. What will you tell something about the cake? Delicious. Very well. Fresh. Sweet. Well done. Here, delicious, fresh, and sweet are describing words. And cake is a noun. Let's do an activity. Identify the describing words from the given sentences. Amanda has curly hair. Correct. The describing word is curly. Next sentence. The short man walked away. Correct. The describing word is short. Next sentence. A happy dog wags its tail. Correct. The describing word is happy. Let's read the next sentence. Some plants have short leaves. Correct. The describing word is short. Well done so far.